This is where I'm at with my battery charger here. It's a Masterforce charger. It's a really good charger. I really like this charger for the heavy equipment, and it's very intuitive. It tell you what's happening, what's going on with the battery and its condition, how it's charging, alternator, amperage, and all that good stuff as it's running the current. So we got an engine start on this battery charger, as well as a battery boost maintainer. So when I switch the switch to the left side, that's for the engine start, and that works. That does a good job. And then I will flip the switch to the battery boost or battery charge side, and it'll immediately work. So I had suspicion that it would be this switch. So I got this switch here. We're going to try to put it on. Unfortunately, I can't tell if it's poka-yoke or not. But I feel as long as you have these wires in the same orientation with this switch here, as it is on that switch, we should be good. So it's a total of 6 wires. So we're going to go ahead and get that together, and we're going to plug in. See if it acts, if it gives us to put this right here for right now. It's in the off position. So we're basically looking at this here, the indicator. I'm gonna flip it. See how that turned on. It's doing freaky stuff in the camera, but it's not doing it here, so that's weird. Then I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. I'm gonna flip it over to the right, and it's not doing anything. It never flipped. It never turned on. So if I move this switch, handle it, there's usually little toggles in there, little pins in there. So I'm gonna unplug it because I'm already woke, so I'm not trying to get woken up, if you know what I mean. Alright, so that's unplugged. So now I'm just gonna pull these wires out pretty much one at a time, and we can be even more on the safe side and just go ahead and start making those connections there. They got them so tight in here that I need some needle nose, but I might be able to get it. Yeah, I really like this charger. Every now and then these switches do go bad. I felt I should have had a little more life out of this switch though. I think it wore out prematurely. But that's with anything though. It has that ability to wear out. Now, like I said, hopefully it was just pretty much universal. So we're about to find out. We are about to find out. Alright, so that light turns on. That's usually what happens when I first plug it up. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it to the left. Let's see what happens. Yep. Say engine start. Everything's looking good here. Turn it back to the off position. Let it power down. I'm going to go ahead and hit it to the right now. There it is. Voltage. And that's starting in deep cycle. And it's telling me to connect the clamp. So that is, everything was cool. So basically just disconnect it, following those wires, and then I just transferred everything I did from here to this new switch. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Because just like with like a toggle switch or anything electrical, I'm going to go ahead and unplug it. I don't know if touching these will wake you up or zap you, so we want to be safe than sorry. This switch is a short circuit on one position of that switch towards the right. So I saved that just in case. But anyway, I bought this one here from Grainger. It fits, man. It fits perfect. So if anybody is in need of a repair like this, or their machine or their charger is not operating as it ought to, and it may not be damaged, or it may just be an electrical short circuit, that came from Grainger. That's that new toggle switch. It's a 3-position switch. So it got 1, 2, and 3. And then it has 6 pins on the back of it. So anyway, that's going to work out for me. That's a 29FG29 is the part number. So hopefully that helps someone out. Again, this is a Masterforce. This is a great charger. And yeah, it's been good to me, so take care of it. That way it can continue to stay good.